listen to the following conversation.
Good morning, gentlemen. I'm Mr. Smith. I'm your teacher. Is this your first class?
Yes, it is.
Are you Lieutenant Jones?
No, I'm not. I'm Lieutenant Smith.
Are you from New York?
Yes, we are.
Are you doctors?
Yes, we are.
We're glad you're here.
Thank you. Repeat everything you hear.
Good morning, gentlemen. I'm Mr. Smith. I'm your teacher. Is this your first class?
Yes, it is.
Are you Lieutenant Jones?
No, I'm not. I'm Lieutenant Smith.
Are you from New York?
Yes, we are.
Are you doctors?
Yes, we are.
We're glad you're here.
Thank you. Repeat the following sentences.
This is a room. That is a room. This is a chair. That is a chair. These are books. Those are books. I'm a student. I'm not a student. He's a teacher. He's an officer. He isn't an officer.